Wondering if it's time to sell your house fast in Stockton? There are a few clear signs that homeowners start to notice. Life doesn't always follow a timeline. Financial pressure, relocation, major repairs, and big life changes can make holding onto a property more stressful than it's worth. When that happens, many people start to look for ways to sell their house fast. Here are 5 signs that it might be time to consider a fast sale. First is major repairs. If you're looking at things like roof replacements, plumbing issues, foundation work, all of these types of things can add up quickly. Second is life changes like inheritance or divorce. Managing a property during an emotional time can feel stressful and overwhelming. Third is missed mortgage payments or foreclosure pressure. On a limited timeline, a fast sale can come in handy. Fourth is vacant homes. These homes can be a liability for taxes, insurance, and incur potential damage. And fifth is relocation. If you need to move quickly, sometimes the traditional market isn't the route to go. If you're thinking about selling your house fast in Stockton, visit bridgehavenhomes.com.